Welcome to Nature and Tradition, an outdoor Javanese dining and kitchen experience. Today, we'll immerse ourselves in the beauty of Javanese culture, where traditional design meets the tranquility of nature. Java is a vibrant island in Indonesia, known for its rich cultural heritage, historic temples, and lush landscapes. It's home to bustling cities, serene villages, and iconic sites like Borobudur and Prambanan, blending tradition and natural beauty. Imagine cooking and dining outdoors, surrounded by lush greenery, bamboo accents, and the natural warmth of wood. This setting celebrates the rich heritage of Javanese architecture and creates an inviting, serene space for friends and family. Let's explore what makes this experience so uniquely beautiful. This experience is defined by a traditional approach to design that embraces nature, with bamboo, wood, and stone elements thoughtfully placed to create a grounded, inviting setting. In every detail, you'll find a reflection of Javanese heritage, where natural elements come together to form an open-air kitchen and dining area that feels both elegant and timeless. The use of natural materials like bamboo, teak wood, and stone is central to Javanese design. These materials are chosen not only for their beauty, but for their durability and eco-friendliness. Bamboo roofing and teakwood furniture blend effortlessly with the tropical landscape, while stone elements, such as countertops and flooring, add an earthy quality that keeps the space cool and grounded. These materials not only withstand the tropical climate, but also age beautifully, growing richer with time and use. In Javanese culture, dining and cooking are not just daily activities, but acts of connection and tradition. An outdoor kitchen and dining space is designed to be a communal area where families gather, not just for meals, but to share stories and strengthen bonds. This sense of community is enhanced by the open layout, which invites natural light and fresh air, making the space an ideal spot to unwind and enjoy the slower pace of life in a tropical setting. The influence of Javanese symbolism can be found in the architectural details, such as intricate wood carvings, which often depict stories of nature, spirituality, and family. These carvings add a sense of history and depth to the space, turning walls and doors into canvases that tell a story. Through these artful touches, the dining and kitchen area becomes a celebration of Javanese culture, connecting the past with the present and imbuing the space with a sense of reverence for tradition. Traditional Javanese kitchens are often equipped with earthenware pots, clay stoves, and bamboo steamers that honour ancient cooking methods. These tools add an authentic touch to the experience, allowing cooks to prepare meals in a way that's closer to nature and tradition. Clay stoves are typically fueled by wood, giving food a rich, smoky flavour, while bamboo steamers lend a unique taste and aroma to each dish. The kitchen becomes more than just a place to cook. It's a space where tradition lives on. This rustic Javanese outdoor dining area exudes warmth and tradition, with natural wood furniture and a bamboo roof that blends seamlessly into the lush surroundings. The open setup invites fresh air and soft natural light, creating an ideal spot to enjoy meals in harmony with nature. Overlooking a vibrant tropical garden, the space feels alive with greenery, enhancing the peaceful, grounded atmosphere. Each element, from the wood to the bamboo, is thoughtfully chosen to honour Javanese heritage while offering a tranquil dining experience. This cozy outdoor Javanese kitchen and dining area beautifully combines traditional wooden details with a serene, natural setting. Surrounded by lush tropical plants and the soft sounds of a gentle water feature, it creates a calming, immersive atmosphere perfect for relaxing meals. The wooden accents add warmth and authenticity, making it a peaceful retreat deeply rooted in Javanese heritage. The dining area is equally captivating, often featuring low wooden tables and woven mats that allow guests to sit comfortably on the floor, as is customary in Javanese culture. This style of dining fosters a sense of closeness and relaxation, encouraging diners to take their time, savor each bite, and enjoy the surrounding beauty. The choice of low tables and natural seating creates an earthy, intimate atmosphere, rooted in the Javanese philosophy of simplicity and mindfulness. The beauty of a Javanese outdoor dining and kitchen space lies not only in its design, but also in its deep connection to the surrounding landscape. Placed within lush greenery, the area is often framed by tropical plants like frangipani, hibiscus, and ferns, which add vibrant colour and life. The sounds of nature, the rustling leaves, chirping birds, and flowing water enhance the sensory experience, turning an ordinary meal into a calming retreat. Nature and tradition come together to create a setting that feels almost meditative. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood of the outdoor dining and kitchen area, particularly at dusk, when the soft glow of lanterns and candles takes over. Traditional bamboo or rattan lanterns provide a warm, inviting light that contrasts beautifully with the cool, earthy tones of the setting. At night, this subtle lighting enhances the charm of the area, creating a cozy, intimate ambience perfect for relaxed gatherings under the stars. This outdoor Javanese kitchen and dining experience is more than just a place to cook and eat. It's a lifestyle rooted in the values of harmony, mindfulness, and connection with nature. The design encourages a slow-paced, intentional way of living, where each meal is a moment to cherish, and each gathering becomes an opportunity to strengthen bonds. It's an environment that welcomes relaxation, fosters gratitude, and brings people together through shared moments in a beautiful, natural setting. Nature and tradition. An outdoor Javanese dining and kitchen experience showcases the unique beauty that comes from blending cultural heritage with natural elements. This thoughtfully designed space, with its traditional materials, open-air concept, and serene landscape, brings the essence of Javanese lifestyle into every detail. It's a space that doesn't just invite you to dine, but encourages you to connect with nature, with loved ones, and with the values that make life truly fulfilling. Whether enjoying a meal, sharing stories, or simply appreciating the peaceful surroundings, this outdoor Javanese experience is a reminder of the beauty of simplicity and the timeless value of tradition. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the heart of Javanese outdoor dining and kitchen design. We hope you've felt the calming connection between tradition and nature that makes these spaces so special. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share to discover more about unique design experiences. Until next time, may your own spaces be filled with the peace and harmony inspired by Javanese elegance. See you soon.